Highland cattle, native to the rugged landscapes of Scotland, are one of the most distinctive and hardy cattle breeds in the world. Known for their long, shaggy coats and impressive curved horns, these cows are built to withstand harsh weather, from freezing winters to heavy rains. Unlike most cattle, Highland cows have a double-layered coat, a thick undercoat for warmth and a longer outer layer that repels rain and snow. This unique feature means they don't need as much body fat to stay warm, making their beef naturally lean and flavorful. Despite their intimidating appearance, Highland cattle are surprisingly gentle and friendly, often referred to as the teddy bears of the cow world. They are also excellent grazers, capable of thriving on rough terrain where other breeds struggle. With a history dating back over 1,000 years, these majestic cattle remain a symbol of Scotland's rich agricultural heritage.